Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. I'm going to give you a nice video here of this Vermeer 1250a. It's sitting here with about 3,200 hours. Baby's just got lots of life left in it. I bought a chipper with 3,200 hours. I ran it for years and years. There's a good possibility that can happen for you too. Now ladies and gentlemen, take a look here. We've gone, looked for anything leaking. You can see evidence of new hoses here and there. If there's anything that was leaking or bad, such as the hydraulic pump being weak or the hydraulic motors leaking or anything of that matter, we go ahead and take care of it. It also has the tongue pivot here. You can pivot this thing 90 degrees towards the sidewalk, so you don't have to work on the road if you're doing street side work. You have yourself a Perkins engine, turbocharged. We're going to go ahead and fire it up here just to show you how nice it runs. Now we're going to chip some brush for you. Now ladies and gentlemen, this thing has auto feed. It's ready to hit the ground running. You see it chips really good. You can give us a call at 260-238-4998, 260-238-4998, or you can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thank you.